in these conversations with you, we heard more than just invoice processing needs. We heard a need for sharing information with project managers and people in the field, possibly through mobile solutions. We heard there's still a need for compliance and audit that hasn't quite been fixed to your satisfaction yet. We keep hearing that information still exists everywhere, from your ERP to project management software, Box, Dropbox, lots of applications where information is stored, and it's hard to kind of get the full picture of everything. And even with all this new technology that everybody's bringing to the marketplace, there's still lots of manual processes in your organizations, and you're hoping to find ways to improve on that. So we asked you, so great, that's good information. If we're going to develop a solution as a replacement for VCM, what does it need to be? And we got a lot of consistency across the board in response to those questions. So it needs to be dependable. One of the great things about application extender and invoice router is the solution works, and for most of the time you could count on it. If anything was in trouble, it was quickly resolved. So it was a very dependable and stable system. If we're going to replace VCM, we don't want to disrupt the people in the field too much. We don't want to retrain them. They're used to what they've got and they like it, and so we don't want to upset their world too much. So that was another concern. When you thought about the impact of replacing that entire system, well, many of the VCM customers have been on the system 5, 10, even 15 years or more. So what do you do with all that information? Do you move it to a new system? What happens if you lose something? How can we make sure that that's secure and safe? And then certainly budget was a concern. So putting all of that together, we came up with Compass.